Experience smart innovation for modern living with Toshiba's new multi-door and T-Series refrigerators, where stylish elegance complements unmatched convenience. Introducing the premium high-performance multi-door refrigerator for the modern kitchen and the lifestyle-inspired T-Series refrigerator for state-of-the-art living. Designed to enable easy access, Toshiba's multi-door refrigerator comes with middle-positioned vegetable compartment that is ideally aligned at the same level as a kitchen worktop. The multi-door refrigerator also gives users the flexibility of different temperature settings based on various types of food to ensure optimum preservation. Compared to conventional single cooling systems, the multi-door refrigerator has two evaporators covering two different temperature zones. This ensures more stable temperature, precise temperature control with better energy efficiency. High humidity level is maintained. As a result, food stays fresh for longer. Advanced Pico Ion Deodorizer is utilized to eliminate odor and bacteria. This helps to keep food fresh for longer. Best of all, the system is maintenance-free. Energy efficiency is another plus point. Toshiba multi-door refrigerator is powered by an eco-friendly inverter. Coupled with unique vacuum insulation panel, cooling performance can be significantly enhanced without increasing energy consumption. For those who appreciate minimalist simplicity matched with impressive features and smart energy-saving technology, Toshiba T-Series refrigerator will make an elegant complement to any modern kitchen. The T-Series refrigerator features a special fast cooling zone for drinks. Dual cool air outlets reduce almost half the time needed to chill drinks compared to door pockets. The fast cooling zone is also ideal for storing meat and fish. Powered by advanced inverter technology, a more consistent temperature can be achieved at all times based on different usage patterns and capacity load. This means better performance and greater energy savings in the long run. Flexibility is yet another feature users get to enjoy with the versatile door pockets. They can be adjusted to suit individual needs and preferences. Non-food items can now be safely stored away in the multi-purpose utility box. Toshiba T-Series refrigerators come with a high-performance LED hybrid deodorizer that effectively filters and disintegrates odor molecules, bacteria, and decomposes ethylene gas that accelerates ripening of fruits and vegetables. Toshiba multi-door and T-Series refrigerators, elegant style with advanced performance, inspired for today's modern living. Toshiba, leading innovation.